So hari ni we learn to make a simplified version of the main page. So last week kan kita dah buat mockup kan. So dia jadi macam ni. And this is the mockup. So the simplified version, so what you guys have to do kan, you select everything, then you copy, press Ctrl C, and then you press Ctrl V, which is paste, and then you put it beside here. You can drag lah a bit kan, so supaya ada space lah. And then for the simplified version, you can make like a bit of tweak lah. Macam for me, I deleted the calling new intake, and then I deleted our alumni, the pemata dunia ni kan, to make it simplified. Sebab she suruh buat simplified, I buat simplified. Oh, I also remove these two images, so dia buat macam ni, so simplified. And then you can also change the picture of the page lah, which I did. And then dia dah macam ni. So basically to delete everything senang je, you just select everything, then you just delete je. And then itu je lah. And then the main page pun you boleh resize. So you tekan this one, then you resize je, ikut size. And then we also learn about prototype today. The prototype, so this is our main Figma punya page lah. You can also go to the prototype actually. So this one is design, and then you pergi prototype. This is the prototype. So the point of prototype is to go to link your main page, the first main page, to the other simplified version lah. So to go prototype, you pergi prototype, then you tekan this should appear. I mean you press anywhere, this should appear, then you just drag je, and then the arrow akan keluar. So boleh ke sini. Boleh ke sini, then let me press Ctrl V. So you pergi balik design, and then to preview your work kan, you can actually press this play button. You press the play button, and then it should, hold on you tekan option. Where is the option? Where is the option? Where is the option? This one, sorry. You tekan option, then fit with, supaya dia fit lah. Tapi this one ikut you jugalah. If you katakanlah if like your main page not in the right size, it won't appear like this. Actually mine pun barely je, sebab tu like it's oversized, and then I had to like fit with. So dia macam ni. And then this is what it looks like lah. You see this is the preview button. And then actually, if you see just now, apa Figma buat hal pula? Okay, this one lah. So the point of the arrow thing, and as you can see here lah, that I link kan. So if you press this one, and then it will link to your simplified page lah. So that's the point of the arrow. As you can see, it's like this. And then okay, so that's it for the prototype. And then today we also learn about the view more alumni punya button. To do that, you go to this page here. You nampak this here. You just follow my cursor, and then this one mockup. It should appear like something like page lah. See the pages here, and then you press plus, and then plus you can actually make a page. So I nickname this page mockup. Sebab itu nama dia kan. And then the second page, it should have been empty lah. Ni sebenarnya empty, so you namakan dia component. And for mockup, you copy paste. This one you copy paste. Oh, make sure this is grouped by the way, the view more and the background. So you copy, Ctrl C, and then you pergi ke component page. You pergi ke the component page, and then you paste. It should look like this. And then it should look like this. And then you press this diamond button here. You press this diamond button here, it should appear like this. And then you nickname this one. I want to nickname mine view more, supaya senang lah kan. View more 2. So macam ni. And then you click lagi this plus button, and then it should appear like this lah. Macam ni, nampak? Ada macam ni. And this one you can actually nickname. So Miss advises to nickname this one to hover. You rename this one to hover. Sorry, kelas ni bising. This one, nickname this one to hover. So dia jadi macam ni. And this one kena tukar colour. I tukar mine to this green colour. And this one, from this one you tekan this one, design once again, you tekan prototype. And then this one you drag down. Then make sure this pop-up appears, and then on click, instead of on click you tekan while hovering. So that's it for this page. And then you pergi balik ke the mockup page, and then if you press asset, it should appear here. If it doesn't appear here, you just try to like click the buttons lah. Maybe you did something wrong. Tapi it should appear here, and as you can see, dia ada dekat sini kan. No, I mean, as you can see, it's right here kan. Sepatutnya ni tak ada tau. Sepatutnya ada satu je, but I already did mine just now. So you tekan this one, and then you tekan insert instance, and then it should appear here, and then you just like gerakkanlah ke sini. Gerakkan ke sini. Sorry. Gerakkan ke sini, and then try to align it together. And then here, there's actually a catch. Mana ni? By the way, once you press the view more kan, make sure it is in your main page punya bawah ni. Ingat yang understand layers kan, you make sure dekat bawah. Kalau tak dekat bawah kan, if benda ni tak dekat bawah, let me show you. If benda ni tak dekat bawah, dia akan jadi macam ni. See, if I letak atas kan, and then if I press this play button, the preview button, sekejap, it's loading. Bukan ni. Sorry, main Figma ni memang cepat lah Figma. Figma, come on Figma. Nampak dia punya bawah ni tak ada. So this one I did just now. Just ignore this one. Nampak bawah ni tak ada. So this one you kena letak bawah the frame, the main page number 1. So letak bawah ni. Bawah ni, and then it will appear. And this one you can actually link. Once again you press prototype, and then this one you drag to here, and then it will link. And then when you press play, the preview button, kejap, make sure it's like fit wave. It's here. See, nampak bawah ni appear. And then if you press here, it will link here. Itu je for today. Thank you.